Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a low bun tutorial for natural hair. You want to make sure that your hair is wet before you start this hairstyle, and I already have my hair up in this hairstyle, so you just want to go ahead and comb right through it. Make sure it's nice and soft so it's just easier to go up. You also want to make sure that you have a part. Honestly, you can do it any way that you want. I just chose to do mine in the middle. Like I said, you want to make sure you have wet hair. My hair was already wet, but I just wanted to add a little bit more moisture to it. So I went ahead and I got my spray bottle and I started spraying. After that, you want to go ahead and grab whatever hair product that you use. I usually use Shea Moisture. This one is actually the kids one because they didn't have the other one in the store, but it works just as fine. So you want to do about a dime size amount of that and then just rub it all over your hair. Then after that, you want to grab the comb again and then just comb through it one more time just to make sure it's nice and, like I said, soft and all of the product got all over your hair. After that, you want to go ahead and use some gel. I use Eco Styler, the yellow one. I like this one because it has less flaking. You just use a dime size amount of it, just like the hair product, and you just rub it all over your hair. Not exactly all over, but all over the top of it, I would say. If you need some more, you just go ahead and you put a little bit more in your hair. And then after that, you want to comb that out as well. I know there's a lot of combing in this, but trust me, the combing helps to give you a nice even look when you put your hair up in this low bun. Next, you want to grab a hard brush and then just start to brush your hair down. Just brush it down as much as you can, even though it doesn't stay, just keep brushing it down. After that, you want to go ahead and grab a pick, and then you just comb your hair down with the pick. This helps to give it a little bit more volume. After that, you want to grab the hard brush again and then just brush your hair one more time. You want to grab a hair tie and then just put your hair down in this style. I usually do about 2 or 3 rounds depending on how tight I want it. However tight you would like it, go ahead and do that. But oh, and I also just put some more gel underneath so that I have a nice smooth finish at the bottom as well. And I just take a soft brush and I just brush that up. Like, of course, not all your hair is going to lay down, but that's why you grab some more gel after it and you just rub it straight down so that it has a nice finish. Then you take the brush and you just brush it all over one more time just to get it nice and smooth. After that, you just want to take a satin scarf, something like this. You would just put it over your hair and you just want to leave the actual ponytail out. I just tie it around my head and then I tie it at the top and I tuck the 2 little flaps inside of the scarf, and then I wait 5 minutes. And while you're waiting those 5 minutes, you can do your makeup, wash your face, whatever you want to do. Okay, after those 5 minutes are up, you carefully take off the satin scarf and you just make sure your hair is looking how you want it to. If it's not, you can always apply more gel to it. But if it is, then you're good to go. I like to tuck my hair into a ball, so I just take the pick. Actually, before I take the pick, I take some lavender oil and I just put like 2 drops in my hands just to keep the ends of my hair moisturized, and I just put it all over the end of my hair. After I do that, then I take the pick and I just comb it out to give it some more volume. You want to make sure that you don't grab where you have the hair tie, because it will pull it out and it will mess up the whole ponytail. So after that, you kind of want to shape it into the way that you want it to look. I usually like mine to look pretty round and full. And then after that, you just want to take a couple of bobby pins to hold it into place. I usually use about 4 or 5 bobby pins so it can stay and hold. Okay, and that is pretty much the finished look. But I just want to add one more thing. You see these little curls on the side of my hair. I will go ahead, I already previously had them, but I will go ahead and show you for the purpose of this video. So I'm just wetting them right now so that I could take it out and re-show you guys. But basically I took my toothbrush and I just brushed it out. Also, if you wanted to do your edges, you could do your edges. I already had them done in this video as well, but you can use a toothbrush for your edges too. You just take a little bit of gel and you put it on the tip of your finger and you rub it right through that little bit of hair. And then what you want to do is just twist it until you get it the way that you would like it to look. Usually it takes me a couple of tries because sometimes it kinks up a little bit, like as you can see. Or it just doesn't go how I want it to, but yeah, you just basically do it like that. And then I will go ahead and do the other side. You just do the same thing, brush it out with a toothbrush. Put a little bit of gel and then you just twist it. Make sure you really start twisting from the top. If you don't, then only the bottom half of your hair will get like the twisted. You want to make sure that twist is nice and tight. So you definitely want to make sure that you're starting from the top. Okay, and once you have it, that is basically it. So this is my low bun tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at simplyrain. And I will see you in the next video.